Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be filming today. I'm so glad that the sun is out finally. Last time I filmed it was dark and gloomy and rainy and it was bleh. So it's so nice to just be filming in actual sunlight again. Today I'm going to be doing 3 spring hairstyles. I hope you guys will stick around and enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started.
So we're going to just start with a inverted 3-strand braid. We're going to take from right to left, grabbing pieces and bringing them over each other. You take one strand and bring it over, and then gather more hair each time you grab a new strand. And we're just going to do that all the way down into a regular 3-strand French braid. And as you take it down, we're going to get to right above the ear, and then we're going to just go to a normal braid, just a normal regular 3-strand braid, and braid that all the way down, stopping, for me, I want to stop about 2 to 3 inches before the very bottom. And then you're going to ponytail that off. And I like to take and make the braid a little bit bigger, so I'm going to take the texturizing spray and I'm just going to spritz it down a little bit to give it a little grip so that it holds better when I pull on it. And then I'm just going to pull the sides all the way up and just make it a little bit bigger so it's not flat to my head. And that is the first style. I love this one. I think it's so cute for spring. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to just take a half up, ponytail that aside, then we're going to flip that over. If you have a clip, I would clip that away, and then we're going to take a bottom section and ponytail that off. We're going to split the top section in half and bring that bottom piece up through the top and clip that away and ponytail that bottom section. We're going to unclip it, let it down, and split that in half and bring that bottom section up through it, clip that away. I don't have a clip, so it's a little bit of a struggle right here, but if you have a clip, it's way easier. And then we're just going to take that top section again, split it apart, bring it around underneath. I love this one because it's so simple and so easy to do, but I think it is so cute. I'm just going to tug on it, make it a little bubbly, big, and then I'm going to grab a cute ribbon. You can do whatever you want with this one, but I want to have a ribbon, and I'm just going to take that around the top section and tie that off. And there you go. I love how this one looks. It's so cute and just fresh. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do an inside out braid, and we're going to take that down to right above our ear, doing an inside out braid. We're just going to keep braiding that. We're going to braid it back towards the ponytail, and then we're just going to ponytail that off. We're going to do that on the other side as well. We're just going to do an inside out braid. I like to pull a few pieces out in front, and we're just going to braid that about right above our ear. Start taking it into a 3-strand braid. I love this one. I think it is so cute. I love ponytail styles. For me, I like to keep my hair out of my face sometimes, and I want a cute style to go with it. So this one is perfect for that. So once I've finished ponytailing that off, I'm going to spread it out, make it a little more voluminous of a braid. And then I'm going to gather them around in the back, and I'm going to bring one of the sections over the back section. As you can see, I kind of grab it, twist it over, and ponytail that off. And then I'm just going to take those little ponytails out. And I'm going to tug on it, kind of give it a little volume, and you can just pull on those pieces right up around the crown area to get a little bit of lift. And that is the style. I like to grab a little ribbon and just tie that off to add a little extra flair to it. Ribbons are such a cute accessory to add to any hairstyle.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys and styling my hair in some fun different styles, and I hope you guys got some ideas of how you might want to wear your hair for the spring. I love incorporating a ribbon or something like that, just to add a little extra flair to it. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure you guys share with your friends. Thanks. Bye guys.